Hi everyone, so today I've created this look right now, this eye tutorial using these Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. These are the ones. So this is the Amethyst Obsession and this is the Topaz Obsession, and I've created this purple bronze kind of eye look using these palettes. So if you want to know and if you want to see the tutorial, please keep watching. So I'm just going to straighten my hair right now, and for that first I'm going to use this. This is a heat protectant. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth heat protectant with marula oil. So I'll spray this all over my hair. And the straightener I'm going to use is this. This is my Ikonic straightener. This one. This is how it looks. This is the Ikonic Professional Pro Titanium Shine. So this is the straightener I'm going to use. And I am going to put it on this silicone mat. This is again from Ikonic. So this just is for any heat, any hot appliance that you use. You can just keep it on this so it prevents the surface from burning. So I'm just going to quickly straighten my hair and then be done with the video. Alright, so that was the tutorial and I've just straightened my hair using my favorite Ikonic straightener. So this is the straightener that I use to straighten my hair, and like I got this done. You can I have quite a medium length hair, you can say, not long. So I got this done, saying like I got my hair straightened like in 15 minutes, maybe less. I didn't keep a track, but I know it was super fast. So I just took it once, and then the second time I took it down my hair, I just curled the ends to get this, just to curl the ends of the hair. So this is how it has come out. So that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope to see you soon for future videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.